Today, we are drawing a colorful kite. Grab your paper and marker and let's go! First, draw one long line down, and then another line across it to make a big cross. Now, let's join all the corners. Connect the top of your cross to the sides, and then down to the bottom. There's our kite shape. At the very bottom, let's add a tiny little triangle where our string will go. Time for the string. Draw a long, bouncy, curvy line. Let's decorate our string. Draw small pairs of triangles along the line to look like pretty ribbons. Time! Let's start with pink for the top section. Then a warm orange for the bottom. Next, we'll use green for the side. And a beautiful blue for the last big section. Don't forget the small triangle at the bottom. Let's color that yellow. Time to color the ribbons on the string. Blue. Pink. Orange. And it's done. Bye, friends. Let's meet in the next video. And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.